Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can trim a video on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and then we need to create an account on Adobe Express. So as you can see, I've already created an account. It's very easy to create an account. Simply after that, we need to go to this section. As you can see, we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, as you can see, has the option for the documents. So we have to click on the documents, and after clicking on the documents, as you can see, has the option for the view all. So we need to click on the view all, and after that, we need to scroll down. As you can see, has the option for the trim video. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, we need to upload the video here, that which video we want to trim. So I'm going to click on this, and after that I'm going to select this video, and now simply I'm going to click on the open, and after clicking on the open, it will take few seconds or few minutes in uploading your video, so we have to wait. So as you can see, the video is uploaded, and now you have to provide the start timing of the video and ending timing of the video, and you have to choose that what should be the size of the video, and then simply you have to hit the download button, and after clicking on the download, the video will be downloaded. If you want to open this in editor, you can also do that. You can edit it, you can edit the video there as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can trim a video on Adobe Express. So see you guys in the next video.